Skye here and welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see ngayon po, no, wala po kami makeup kasi gagawa po kami ng
face mask challenge. Pero meron siyang
meron siyang challenge. Meron siyang gimmick, guys.
Challenge.
Yeah, parang
twist.
Ganun.
Ganun.
By the way, guys, this is my cousin at ngayon niyo lang siya nakita sa channel ko kasi nandito ako sa province ko ngayon. Tapos, napag-isipan namin na gumawa kami ng video. So, yeah.
Ito yung gagamitin namin. Apat siya na sachet ng blackhead pore strip para ilagay namin sa mukha namin.
Yeah.
Tapos, meron dito mga, anong tawag dito?
Parang mga strips na paper na...
Strips na paper na may number siya sa loob. Tapos, bubunutin namin to. Tapos, titingnan namin kung anong number makukuha namin. May questions na nakalagay.
Yeah.
Bawat number. And, babasahin namin. And, gagawa kami ng parang guilty or not guilty na.
Yeah, ganun. So, without further ado, let's get started.
I have a bowl here, small bowl, na lalagyan namin ng blackhead pore strip. So, let's
Tapos, we have a little mirror. Okay. Oh my God! Okay. Yung background namin, guys.
Ay! Ow!
Ay! You can buy this sa Watson's, parang 15 pesos lang ata. Or, nasa ano naman, guys, sa
Kahit saan
kilid-kilid.
makikita niyo.
Kilid-kilid. Okay. Uy, gunting.
Ma-open na. Be careful lang sa pag-open na to because you will get
so messy.
Messy talaga siya. Pero sa atin, whole face yung gagawin natin.
Grabe ang messy naman ito. Yeah, super. Black talaga ginusto niya eh. Challenge eh.
Madali lang to mag-set. Mag-dry.
Pasmasa ni mo, oy!
Use your bare hand.
Gosh. One hand. One... Huwag na siya, guys. Ay!
Ay, pila sa mata dito. Uy, pila akong kilay dito. Ako na makulit. Wala, lagi layo naman. Dari ako mata! Natatawag, hindi na ako ng tarong mo. Hindi nag-exist yun. Dito, baka natapin buko na. Matod ka sa akin. Malagay ko pangatot. Ano, nagapila akong kilay, day?
While waiting for it to dry, we will answer some questions na hinanda ng kasama namin. So yeah, we will answer this question so that you guys will get to know us better. So after we answer these questions, ipipil na lang namin yung mask ng bawat isa or isa't isa. Para fair. Kasi, yeah.
Oh, is that yung
Don't touch it. That was number 15. Have you ever tried peeing in your pants? Guilty. I'm guilty too. It's so hard to laugh, guys, because
it's getting
tight. When you were still a kid,
When I was still a kid, my mother let me pee on my ano kasi my diapers until I reach grade 6. Until I reach grade 6. Ganun pa rin. And then it stops. Pagdating ng high school. Ganun lang. Ayoko na too much. I'm so embarrassed of that thing.
So, next is number 5. Read it.
Number 5. Number 5? Have you ever tried smoking? No. I never.
Our parents are strict, so they wouldn't allow us to.
Next,
And we also don't encourage
other people doing
to
that.
smoke, yeah.
And for the
bad
people
for your
who
health.
smoke, and for the people na nagsusmoke,
Bahala kayo sa buhay niyo.
hindi na kami mangyayari sa inyo.
Mm-hmm.
Number 2, have you ever been to a bar or club?
Bar, club. Not yet.
I never been.
Not yet.
I can't go in until I'm
Yeah, how old are you?
15.
Yeah, me, I just turned 17, so.
Is number 11. What's number 11?
Have you ever been suspended from school?
No, I never been.
Me too. Good girls kami.
But I tried once na guidance, ganun.
Me
Na
too,
guidance kasi walang assignment.
Have you ever tried cheating?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's
Of
normal
course.
naman sa students na mag-cheat, di ba?
Yeah. A class that cheats together graduates. But we're not encouraging you,
to cheat.
Especially nung sa mga bata na nanonood
Yeah.
sa vlogs niya.
Number 9.
Number 9, have you ever tried stealing money from your parents?
Oh my God.
I tried.
I'm so guilty about that. Yeah, but pag bumibili ako ng, noon,
Foods.
pag bumibili ako ng, yeah, food, candy.
Bata pa naman kasi tayo. Number 6, have you ever had a boyfriend?
No. Strict parents eh. Ayaw nila na yan.
Just tried. MU but not a boyfriend.
MU, ala! Patay ka, auntie!
Don't watch this.
Don't watch this, mommy. Mommy, pin. Have you ever drank alcoholic drinks? Yeah, soju is.
Yeah.
Is it the alcoholic? Yeah, I tried with my parents. I've never tried drinking alcoholic drinks with friends because I'm scared that I might get drunk and I can't be able to control myself. Yeah. Yeah. Because
I
I'm scared.
tried one. It's my birthday. Number 8. Have you ever tried having a crush on your best friend? I feel guilty about that. Yes.
Yeah, of course.
He's my best friend since grade 8. I feel guilty about that. Do you feel guilty?
Yeah. Medj.
Edge. Pero ano, meron kasi siyang mga potentials ganun. Kaya, crush ko siya. Tapos, ang bait niya. Tapos, dami niyong sport. Sarap niya.
Have you ever tried reading other text messages without the owner's permission?
Yes! I'm guilty
Yup.
about that. I'm
Yeah.
so guilty about that.
Why?
Because I tried that thing, then my friend, I just almost ruined our friendship because of that. Because that's gonna ruin your friendship,
Yeah.
your relationship, everything.
Okay, number 4.
Have you ever stalked your crush?
Yes, of course naman. It's normal to stalk your crush.
Of course, marunong
Kasi,
din
yeah.
tayo mag-stalk, no? Kahit saan, alam natin.
Like, yung whereabouts niya, kung saan siya ngayon, saan siya pumunta, saan siya
Parang
pupunta.
kuha na natin yung privacy nila. You
Grabe.
feel that? Kung ganun yung, kahit kung saan siya, alam mo. Number 7. Have you ever tried eating expired food? That thing, nakatry ako, pero di ko alam na expired na yung food.
Me too. I don't know if I've ever tried eating expired food. Basta, if ano yung nasa ref, kumakain ako kahit ano yung nasa ref namin. Okay, we only have one question left.
13. Okay, 13. Have you ever tried going out without your parents' permission? No.
Weh.
I
Hindi
can
nga.
go outside the house, man. Labo nagbabi.
Oh. Sometimes lang.
Next
Try.
is...
So, I think our masks are dry now.
Yeah, I feel it.
Wait. So, ayan po. Dry na po yung mga mask namin. So, okay guys. Bato-bato pick if sinong mauuna sa amin mag-peel ng mask. Hindi! 2? Until 2 or 3?
1 ra, tagsa-tagsa.
Okay, fine. Hala, grabe! Dili, tayo sa...
Dili, ayaw. Dili madala, uy.
Okay. Go, go.
Ay, hinahanap ko yun.
Hindi naman talaga makikita, girl. See, it's clean. Wala. Take turns na! Oh, para tong gaga. Wait lang. Wait lang, tataka na. Tataka na part.
Medyo masakit talaga.
Ouch!
Parang natanggal yung buong mukha mo.
Oh! Wait lang.
Ito din. Wait lang! Ay! Parang nastop! Dito tayo na part. Kanina part, gaga.
Next.
Okay, next. Wait, girl! Awa, yung kamot. Ito bang camera? Ito bang camera? Ako lang! Ala day, ako mata, wait sa. Oh. Gigi. Gigi ako mata day, wait sa go. Agay!
Wala mo lang. Ayan na, dili lagi na. Ay, di wala ko na nakabutang mo.
Ah! Sakit pa! Ay! Yan! Hindi na nasakit, day! Ay! Sakit Japon sa! Parang natanggal yung mga buhok, guys. Ganda. Ayan, tapos na ang aming challenge. Yun, guys. Bili na kayo ng Peloton Blackhead Nose Strip Mask. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me or more of us, rather. And for video requests, like if you want to give us challenges or something like that, feel free to comment down below. I'll see you guys next time. And don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky is the limit. Bye!